Hey everyone, this is Jenna Ahern with Guardian Now Digital, and I'm here to share with you 2 new extensions that you can incorporate in your Google Ads campaign. The first, price extensions. If you're a business that has pricing for your product or services on your website, you may want to start incorporating promotion and price extensions. So the difference is price extensions will serve up under a Google text ad, allowing you to incorporate special pricing or rates for product or services that are currently on your website. Promotion extensions will serve up with a little tag drawing a visitor's eye directly under your text ad. The price extension is going to show specific pricing for your product or service. The promotion extension is going to be things like winter sale or Valentine's Day discount, $20 off. It allows the consumer to not only see your text ad, but then be able to view special pricing that you have on products or services and specific sale offerings or specials you have currently running in your business. Why is this important to start incorporating? If you start, it's gonna take up new real estate on the Google ad platform so that competitors of yours are gonna be pushed a little bit down the page and hopefully serving your ad first since it's taking advantage of these new features within Google Ad Network. Secondly, the promotion offers or that promotion extension really looks ideal if you're somebody searching for a deal, a discount, a special offering, because it shows up as a little tag underneath your text ad, and the image really draws consumers in and usually results in a higher click-through rate from your Google ad. I hope that you incorporate these 2 new Google Ad extensions in your next advertising campaign. And if you need help, please visit guardiannowdigital.com to learn more or give us a call.